we got 2, 4, 6.
Now
Big race here. We're gonna go 10 laps again. All you turn marshals ready? Roy Don says he's ready. Go. Usually don't need a turn marshal in the front straightaway. We've got some serious carnage in the back straight.
All right. I ain't gonna catch Tracy. I know that much. Unless he breaks down.
Dang it.
That's 2.
Turn marshal, center of the course.
Oh.
Hey, I have no steering to the right with this car. You made 2 laps.
Turn marshal.
This ain't on my second lap.
That's 3.
I need some better tires for the back. Get you a ticket and win something, sir? No. Success?
Oh yeah, big turn.
We're out, Leroy.
We're out.
Circle horn.
It's 4.
I wasn't second. He's in dead last night. He's on my track. I don't even know what place. Both I think I'm in dead last.
5. Six.
How many total? 9?
7.
We got 7 laps down. 7 laps. Tracy, are you on 7 or 8? You're on orange and white?
Yeah, he's up in first.
Orange and white here coming across for his 8th lap. 2 laps to
I need
go.
better tires in the back.
Green and white coming across here for his 8th lap.
It's 8.
Why don't you slow down, Tracy? Why don't you wait a minute? At least have a little race. Slow down. Stop, man. Stop, man. Stop.
This is 8, right? This is 9.
Stop, man. Stop. Oh, there you go. Little man. There you go. Oh, he's coming, Tracy. He's coming to you. Now we got a race for last place, or first place, last lap. We got green and black and orange and white duking it out.
Come on, go. It's supposed to go. Go.
Oh, Tracy's not running it anymore?
No.
Okay.
Taking the long way home. We got Fast and Furious Frankie here coming across the line for first place. Woo! There's the first place winner right there.
I thought that was last.
That might leave a mark. All right, guys, we're going to run another short course truck race in just a few minutes here. So get your short courses ready. Until then, everybody can use the track to play and have fun. About 10 minutes, we'll have a short course race.